Hello people, Nuno Nico here. Today we're going to talk about a little leaflet printed by a company called Trademark Modern Toys that was selling Zylmex die-cast airplanes and helicopters in Asia. Now I don't read Chinese or Japanese. I assume this is Chinese since this pamphlet was printed in Hong Kong, but I really don't know. If anybody can help me read this language, I would greatly appreciate it. But there is some English on this leaflet that gives us an indication of who made it and for what. As we see in the top left corner, labeled A0, is actually the mold marking A100. That's the Sikorsky helicopter that we'll talk about in a future video. These leaflets were folded and inserted into these cardboard boxes, which was a very different packaging style from what we're used to here in the United States. We would see these blister cards or blister packs, which made the product very visible while sitting on the toy rack in the store. You didn't have to really pick up the toy to see what you were buying. Even this German style blister pack is very similar to the way that we did it here in the US. On the back, we see a number of other airplanes. And at the bottom, it shows the different countries that this toy line was available in, including the United States. That this leaflet includes variations on the paint job and stickers applied that were in many cases very different from what was available here in America. So many of these toys are very rare and hard to find. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.